and a clear disclaimer. Please go through it. So whatever we discuss today, the index levels or the stocks, that is just for the knowledge purpose. Please do not consider it as an investment advice. Okay, so let's begin with Nifty 50 setup. Quite well, the setup is really good. It's trading in a blue sky zone, no major resistance on the higher side. But the only worry that it's up around 6.5% from its 50 DMA. So I'm not saying there's no upside. That's what we told yesterday also. But maybe there is a limited upside now, or there might be some time correction or time consolidation. That's the thing. See, the most important level over here is this one. That is the 10 EMA. It becomes the most crucial level. See, many a times whenever there is a strong rally, okay, see this is first, this is second, third. Whenever there is a very strong rally, 10 EMA acts as a very good support. After that, what you need to watch out for, that is somewhere around 500. Okay, so 24,500 is the first support, 450 to 500 zone. Then the second level comes is the 21 DMA. But I think for this series, the July series, what you need to watch out for is the 450, 500 on the downside. Right. And distribution day count is low, so there is no clear indication of a top formation और कोई ऐसा signs नहीं मिल रहा. We are watching out for that. If we get any, we will definitely, discuss this over here in the evening commentary, in the commentary, everywhere. But currently the market is quite robust and the things are going good. Okay, so some important results today will be some Wipro, JSW Steel, BPCL, Union Bank, Paytm, and many more will be reporting the result. So yesterday, Infosys reported its Q1 numbers and it beat estimates. The revenue growth was solid, 3.7% grew. Okay, the PAT was down. Sorry, this was up 20%. No, it was down 20% QOQ due to some reason. Margin expanded around 100 pips QOQ to 21.1%. And the main thing, it raised the FY20 from 1 to 3%. So market took this very positively, and we have seen some very good momentum in the ADR share. And today also the gap up opening for the Infosys and the other IT peers, including the IT index, is expected. CIE India's Q1 revenue was down 1.2% YOY, PAT was down 28% YOY, and margin contracted 30 bips. Tanla revenue grew 10%, PAT grew 4.3%, and margin contracted 180 bips. Dalmia Bharat PAT missed estimates. The others were in line to positive. Revenue was flat YOY to 3621 crore. PAT grew 0.7%. The margin expanded 160 bips. LTTS missed estimate. Revenue down 3%, PAT down 8% on a QOQ basis, and margin contracted 3.3%. So not a good result on IT side. Okay, next, if you see the global market not in support today, the Dow was down more than 1%, S&P Nasdaq down 0.7%, Kospi is down 1.4%, Shanghai is flat, while Nikkei is down 0.4%. If you look at SGX Nifty or the GIFT Nifty, it still indicates a positive opening. 30-40 points of gap up opening is indicated. I think this is mainly due to the IT stocks led by Infosys. That's what taking the things higher. But you need to be very careful. We are already extended. Global market is going negative, so it might have some impact on us. Okay, so let's discuss the chart of the day. So this looks quite interesting from the pharma space. Very strong. I think this can be also a defensive bet when the market might be volatile. So it's a good consolidation based formation over here. Right. Overall, it has a support at 50 DMA. एक भी बार 50 DMA के नीचे बंद नहीं हुआ. This was just the intraday action. Okay, so if you neglect them, then that is a very good moment over here. From there, it started moving higher, and the accumulation on the right side of the base is very strong. Okay, it was moving sideways near the pivot. ब्रेकआउट पॉइंट के पास साइडवे मूव कर रहा था. कल एक अच्छा स्पाइक आया. It closed near the day's high. So I think 1172 is the pivot, but couple of 2 to 3 times it found resistance near 1200. So that will also be ideal buy zone. If the stock crosses 1200 on a decent volume, then that will be ideal buy point for the stock. Okay, if you look at the funds, it has grown. If you look at the result, it has improved. Return on equity is good. The ratings, the EPS of 91 is among the best. Price trend superb 81. Buyer demand is also decent. So on all the front, this looks quite strong. But I think above 1172, the closing it has given. So now most important will be to cross the 1200 level. Okay, that's it for today's session. Thank you for joining. See you again on Monday at 8:45 a.m.